All right. Let's see. We'll go to the wheel and network communication. I don't think we need to worry too much about that. You know what is wheel and network, right? One person is there who is communicating with everyone. So let's not worry too much about that. NBFCs, I have underlined some important points about NBFCs for you. What is an NBFC? It's again under economics portion, economics and business environment. An NBFC is a non-banking financial company registered under which act? Companies Act of 2013. They can ask you like that. NBFCs are registered under which act? For example, Banks of India are under which act? What is the name of the act? Are they under the Companies Act or
Regulations. Both.
they are in the Banking Regulations Act 1949? So a non-banking financial company is managed by whom? By Reserve Bank of India. Okay. Now, next point to understand here is, see, what is a non-banking institution? Non-banking institution, which is a company and has principal business of receiving deposits under any scheme or arrangement in one lump sum or in installments by way of contributions or in any other manner, is also a non-banking financial company, which is also known as residuary non-banking company. So NBFC is also known as residuary non-banking company. In short, you understand, any kind of a financial company which has got at least 50% of its business based on finance, right? But it's not a bank. It's not a bank, but at least 50%. This is called the 50% rule of RBI. At least 50% of its business should be financial products. That kind of company is called a non-banking financial company. It is very much like a bank. It can give you loans, right? It can take deposits also from customers, but some rules are there which are not mentioned in the e-bulletin. You should simply understand an NBFC cannot have demand deposits. Simply understand, NBFC, non-banking financial companies, cannot have demand deposits. What are demand deposits? Any idea? You all have done economics and business environment, no? Tell me. What are demand deposits?
So we can.
Savings account, current account. Savings account, current account. You can't open a savings account or current account. Combined, these two are called as CASA. What is the short form of current account, saving account? CASA. So they cannot take CASA deposits, demand deposits. They cannot issue debit cards, no debit cards, credit cards. You can't issue debit cards, credit cards, checks, all these things. So mainly this is the difference. They can give you a loan and they can take public deposits. Public can deposit money as an investment. Like in one movie, a particular company was taking money to double it in 21 days. In Hera Fairy 2. I don't know whether you have seen that movie or not, but yeah. You know, 21 दिन में पैसा double. So that kind of deposits they can do. Okay. So NBFCs that can take deposits are called as NBFC Class A, and NBFCs that which cannot take deposits are called NBFC Class B. Various types of NBFCs are there. Primarily they are into loans, small loans, housing loans, business loans, right? They take deposits from customers, invest in different type of infrastructure project and give returns to customers. But they are very risky because in a bank, banks are regulated by RBI, controlled by RBI. Although NBFCs are managed by RBI, they don't come under strict regulations of RBI. So they can take risk, they can make risky investments also. In a way, it is good because where the normal banks are not able to invest, the NBFCs are able to invest. They can help in building the country. Okay, now this is an important point here. NBFCs alone count for 12.5% rise in GDP of our country. This is an important point which I have underlined for you. And NBFCs have gradually become very important. They are helping in the growth of country. How many NBFCs are there as of now? 9,425 NBFCs are registered, not 1, 2, 9,000. 9,425 NBFCs are registered in India as of Jan 22, 2021. Various types of categories they are: asset finance companies, loan companies, infrastructure finance companies, systematically important core investment companies, infrastructure debt companies, and microfinance means small loans, microfinance institutions. Now, knowing the name of all of these things are not important, but 12.5% contribution they have in GDP, 9,425 NBFCs are there. What is the full form of NBFC? These things you should know, right? They come under which act? Companies Act of India. Managed by whom? Reserve Bank of India. So there are different types of NBFCs, you see, registered with and regulated by RBI. Loan companies, investment companies, these are all the examples of NBFCs. Not registered with RBI, but RBI issues directions to them. Mutual benefit finance company, mostly is into mutual funds, all these types. Okay. And exempted from RBI regulations, including registration. They don't have to register also. They will not be regulated also. Insurance companies, stock brokers like India Bulls, right? Sher Khan, stock broking companies, housing finance companies, microfinance companies, small loan companies. These are companies which are not registered also, and they are not regulated also by RBI. Top 10 NBFCs they have given here. In the list in your e-bulletin, top 10 NBFCs, we can say Power Finance Corporation. Again, to know in one day, remember all these things is not possible for you. But ideally, you should have gone through this e-bulletin earlier and seen who is the chairman. What is the name of the NBFC? Power Finance Corporation of India. What is the name of the chairman? Rajiv Sharma. Shriram Transport Finance Corporation. Bajaj Finance, this has become very popular nowadays, right? Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, consumer loans. I think it's the king of consumer loans right now in India. Bajaj Finance, right? Founded in 2007 and it's become a 1400 branch. And now we have Mahindra, Muthoot Finance. Akshay Kumar does a lot of ad for this, no? Muthoot Finance Limited is a Kerala-based NBFC, very, very popular. Then we have Housing Development Bank, HDB Finance Services. It is owned by HDFC. It is owned by which company? Which bank? HDFC Bank. Cholamandalam Finance, owned by the Murugappa Group. Tata Capitals. L&T Finance, which is doing quite well. L&T Finance Limited. It was in 2010, it was called Company of the Year by Economic Times Award. And Aditya Birla Finance. Again, I'm not asking you to go through all the names, but understand basics about NBFCs. What are NBFC? 12.5% contribution, GDP, 9,004, how much? 9,450, some branches are there. Please, at least the basics you can do. Now, all other things in detail, we are not going through them. What is the way forward and all, we're not going. We are going to questions here. Current affairs, quick revision for you. In a historic move, a separate Ministry of Cooperation has been created by the government. What is this ministry called? Sahakar Se Samriddhi. What is the name of the Ministry of Cooperation? Sahakar Se Samriddhi. That one thing is important. And what will this ministry do? It will work to streamline process of ease of doing business for cooperatives and enable development of multi-state cooperatives. So this entire ministry is for cooperative banks. to manage, to promote, regulate, and develop cooperative banks. Right? Now, questions will come from here. Appointment of governors as on July 6, 2021. Name of governors are there, which transferred from which state and to which state. So this you can see. New portfolios of ministers, you can know at least some of the main ones if there's any change. Now these four have remained same. Rajnath Singh, Defense Minister; Amit Shah, Home Minister; Nitin Gadkari, Transport Minister; Nirmala Sitharaman, Minister of Finance and Minister for Corporate Affairs. This is also not changed. S. Jaishankar, External Affairs; Arjun Munda, Tribal Affairs; Smriti Zubin Irani, Minister of Women and Child Development. Smriti Zubin Irani. Earlier she was Minister of Textiles. Then she became Minister of Women and Child Development. Shri Piyush Goyal, often in news, Commerce and Industry, Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, and now Minister of Textiles also has been put under Piyush Goyal, which was earlier with Smriti Zubin Irani. Our new Education Minister, after Ramesh Pokhriyal, Nishank, who is the new Education Minister? Dharmendra Pradhan. So this will become an important for you. And remember, Ministry of Skill Development comes under Minister of Education. What else? Health Minister, I think we should know. Others have not changed. Civil Aviation Minister, he came from Congress and now into BJP. Jyotiraditya Scindia. And after he came, the government sold airlines. Anyhow, the Minister of Civil Aviation. So without any airlines, he will manage now. So Jyotiraditya M. Scindia. And Minister of Food Processing, which was earlier with Harsimrat Kaur Badal. But after Akali Dal split from BJP, who became Pashupati Kumar Paras. So this is a new change. I'm just highlighting the change for you, okay? This one is very important. Earlier, this is like very important. Earlier, Dr. Harsh Vardhan was the Health Minister of India, right? But after COVID crisis and all, he resigned. And now who is the Health Minister? Mansukh Mandavia. This is very important, students. Please note it down. Mansukh Mandavia. So I can't ask you that in one day go through all the ministers and learn them, but at least the ones which have changed. Like Minister of Textiles has come under Piyush Goyal, and Health Minister has changed from Harsh Vardhan to Mansukh Mandavia. Okay, that's all. I'm not going to go into details of state ministers. That is not required nor needed. Okay, don't worry about these things. So many are there. Now, who is going to remember their names? Do you think it's possible? No, no. Let's go to questions. Best thing is let's do questions. Okay, here comes the question number 1. What is the answer for the first one? A dash is used to end a declarative sentence. Full stop, also called as period. What is it called? Please no, period. Full stop is also called period. Give an antonym of the word audacity. Cowardice. Audacity means brave, like you are very brave or doing something. How audacious of you, right? To stand and speak like this in front of everyone else. So cowardice. Now noise is a dash barrier. What type of barrier? Physical barrier to communication. Now which of these reports contains information of a routine nature? Question number 4. Routine means periodic, right? So periodic report. Weekly, monthly, quarterly, annual report, periodic report. In MIS system design, the source of information may be categorized as what? Question number 5. Internal and external. Memo is a type of short form of memo is short form for what? Some doubt you have?
That previous one, sir.
Huh?
I did the few lines and he'll answer it's constructive, destructive, and I have Googled also, sir, the answer many times. It's internal, external, sir.
Yeah. Memo is a type of written communication. Short form for memorandum. Right? And usually what is a memo used for? Tell me quickly, what is a memo used for? What is a memo used for?
To give information.
To give information to employees. Right? A memorandum is used. Okay, question number 7. Dash allows cumbersome knowledge to be maintained and easily accessed through the company using hypermedia and web technologies. Web publishing.
Any water. Social group.
There isn't dash water in the overhead tank. What is the answer? Any. We can't, water is not countable. So any water. There isn't any water in the overhead tanks. Choose the most appropriate option for the meaning of fox pass. What is a fox pass? A social blunder. Right? For example, suppose it is in a college, someone tells you sends you a message that today is ethnic day. When actually ethnic day is not there. And everyone has gone in uniform and you have come in a sari or a kurta pajama. So you will commit a social blunder. You do something which everyone will laugh at. Now, dash is used to find, retrieve, and display information available on the World Wide Web. A web browser like Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, a web browser. Question number 11. A communication should be clear so the recipient can understand what the sender really wants to communicate. This denotes which principle of communication? Principle of clarity. Now read the jumbled sentence carefully and then pick the option.
We have solved this.
What is the answer for question number 12? Is it D or is it B? Because I think 2 should be the starting sentence. No, difference in the way men and women process language is of specially interest to brain researchers. It has been known that aphasia, a kind of speech disorder, is more common in men than women when the left side of the brain is damaged in an accident or after a stroke. However, women are more likely than men to suffer aphasia when so 2431. What is the answer? 2431. Difference in the way men and women process language is of special interest to brain researchers. It has been known that aphasia, a kind of speech disorder, is more common in men than in women when the left side of brain is damaged in an accident or after a stroke. However, women are more likely than men to suffer aphasia when the front part of the brain is damaged. Perfectly links, right? And this clearly indicates that the brain of women are organized in different ways. So A should be the answer.
C. Understanding.
Find out the appropriate meaning of empathy. Empathy is to understand someone. Mollified means bad intention. 15th one, choose the most grammatically correct option from below. The Titanic did not reach her destination. The Titanic did not reach its destination. Not their destination. It's a ship, right? And we can't say his also because Titanic is not male or female, right? Although if a ship is given a female name, then we can call it her. Okay. Now choose the correct spelling in the options given below. Remuneration, not renew, remuneration. The listener forming a biased opinion by looking at the speaker's look, dress and mannerism is a sign of what?
Yes.
Prejudging the speaker. According to whom, communication in its simplest is the simplest form of conveying information. I had given you different definitions of communication. What is this one? Hudson. What is the full form of World Wide Web? What is full form of? Right, it's World Wide Web. Okay, all right. Now, question 20. Which of the following follows the organizational hierarchy and chain of command? Chain network of communication. Let's do the reading passage now. Okay, all right. So if you want to do the reading passage yourself, it's a very long one. Let's do the logical reasoning question. Don't be in a hurry. Which of the following best defines ADR?
C.
It's basically American Deposit Receipt. A receipt, American Deposit Receipt, is a receipt showing evidence that shares of the foreign corporations are held on deposit or under control of a US banking institution. ADR, American Deposit Receipt. You don't know the full form, right? You just knew the answer, but you should know that. ADR for American Deposit Receipt. Travel magazine did dash extremely interesting article on dash world's most amazing buildings. See, extremely is there, so we have to use an. So definitely B is wrong, and this is wrong. So an extremely interesting article on the world's most amazing buildings. Now, which of the following factors are responsible for communication failure? All of the above. The channel of communication which is mostly associated with gossips and rumor is called grapevine. Informal communication network is called grapevine network. Now 31, what is the answer? Dash is a physiological process which involves receiving the sound waves by the eardrum and transferring them to brain. Hearing. Hearing is a passive process, listening is an active process. Hearing does not require skill, listening requires skill. Which of the following is not the purpose of listening? Look at this, not the purpose. Which of the following is not the purpose of listening? Answer will be D. To avoid full and accurate understanding. That is not, that is a purpose. They're asking which of the following is not a purpose. In dash, a listener has the purpose of not only empathizing with the speaker, but also to use his deep concentration in order to help the speaker understand, change, or develop in some way. You're trying to understand and help him. Help means therapy. You're giving therapy. You're helping. So therapeutic listening. A dash helps us in retrieving a later at a later stage. A reference number. And the following is or are the purpose of MIS. To prepare short and long-term plans for the future is option A. To allocate different types of resources and to allow management by exception. Answer would be all of the above. '36 answer would be all of the above. And 37, what is the answer for 37? According to the Constitution of India, all citizens have the right to practice any profession. It's called fundamental rights.
356.
Under which article can President impose presidential rule in India?
356.
356.
Yes, sir.
every promise and every set of promises forming the consideration for each other is called agreement. That is what is an agreement, you know. Okay, question of 40. Doctrine of consensus ad idem means what? Consensus ad idem. Meeting of minds. And doctrine of rep ipsa loquitur, what does it mean? Rep ipsa, under law of torts, you must have had studied this, no? You, for everything you need an option. Rep ipsa loquitur means the thing speaks for itself. Thing speaks for itself. That means sometimes the act makes it very clear as to what has happened, right? No need to give a separate proof for it. Rep ipsa loquitur. Should know these things. Again, all these things you try to do yourself. Supreme Court of India comprises Chief Justice and how many judges? 44. What is the answer? 33. "45, what is the answer? Domestic arrangements between husband and wife is not a contract under the Indian Contract Act because of what? There is no intention to create a legal relationship. Legal relationship is a very important element of the Indian Contract Act. Constitution Day of India is celebrated on which date? 26th November, also known as Samvidhan Divas, Flag Day, so Constitution Day. And 47 already we have done. What is a tort? A tort comes from the word tortum, which means twisted. Any act which is twisted, the civil offense is called a tort.
Sir, for communication, what is that, sir? Communist or communicate?
Communist, according to CSED, communist. According to CA Foundation, it is communicate. I told that in the class also. Okay, which article of the Constitution provides that all laws in force in the territory of India before the commencement of the Constitution, insofar as they are inconsistent with Part 3, Article 13. Which article of the Constitution of India provides no person shall be deprived of his life? In short, it is called as right to life.
21.
Article 21. Article 21 says it's right to life, that life is a fundamental right. Which of the following is not a writ under Article 32 of the Constitution? Very nice. What are the 5 types of writ? Tell me.
Prohibition, habeas corpus, mandamus, quo
What is the writ?
Sir, it is a petition.
Tell me what is the writ? It's an order. So basically writ is an order, right? So court is issuing an order for something. So habeas corpus means what? Bring the body. What about mandamus?
We command.
Can a mandamus be issued for a private person?
No, sir.
Is it only for public officials? What is quo warranto? Okay, it's right. So I hope you have not just mugged up the answers, right? Very good. A stranger to a contract dash sue, but under the English and Indian law for want of privity of contract, not privity of contract. Cannot sue. Okay. Okay, now this is logical reasoning. Now question 54. A and B are young ones of C. If C is father of A, but B is not son of C, how are B and C related to each other? So A and B are siblings. C is father of A, that means C is father of B also. But B is not son, that means B must be daughter. Daughter and father. This I had done in the class for you. A correct clock shows 9 o'clock in the morning. So how many degrees will the hour hand rotate when the clock shows 3 o'clock in the afternoon? 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 6 hours. 6 into 30, 180 degrees. Choose the word which is not similar to the other words in the group. What is the answer? Dog. 58. An accurate clock shows 10 o'clock in the morning. So how many degrees will the hour hand rotate when the clock shows 6 o'clock in the evening?
240.
So 10 o'clock to 6 o'clock, 8 hours are there. So 8 into 30, 240. What is the logic of this? What is the answer? 59. So we have two consonants and a vowel. No other logic is there. So only in one answer options we have two consonants and one vowel. So that is cat. Question number 60. What will come in place of question mark? This is the multiplication of 13. 13 ones are, 13 twos are, 13 threes are. That is 39. 61. What is the answer? All the harmoniums are instruments. All instruments are flute. I had given a method to you. If the common element is diagonally, cut it. Cut the common element and join. All harmoniums are flutes. All harmoniums are flutes. Only two follows. This direct techniques I had taught you, in syllogism. 62, 63 and 64. Arrange the words given below in a meaningful sequence. First root will form, then we'll get stem. After that leaves will come, then flowers will come, then fruit will come. So 4, 3, 1, 5, 2. Question 63. Arrange the words given below in a meaningful sequence. Police, punishment, crime, judge, judgment. First a crime will happen. Then the police will come. Right? Then the person will be taken into the court where a judge will preside over the court proceedings. The judge will then give a judgment, and based on the judgment there will be a punishment. So 3, 1, 4, 5, 2. Now 64, what should be the answer? 64. 64, what will be the answer? First, the tailor will measure. After measuring, will mark. After the mark, will cut. Then this stitching will be done, tailor. And then finally will put on. So 4, 3, 1, 5, 2. A man said to a lady, the son of your only brother is the brother of my wife. Son of your only brother is the brother of my wife. So what is the answer for 65? What is the lady to the man? A man said to a lady. Sister of father-in-law. Now 66 is a coding question. S Sachin is coded as RZB GHM How is Roger coded in that language? S minus 1 is R. A minus 1 is Z. So we are doing minus 1 coding. So Roger, R minus 1 will be Q. O minus 1 will be N. QN. So if we have any answer option with QN, all are with QN. GE. G will become E. E will become D. R will become Q. QNEDQ. QNEDQ. Answer option B. UV, QR, M, N, I, J. What should come next? So between Q and V, we have RS. See?
Sir, it's D only, no, sir.
It's D only, sir. 66.
EFG, no,
It's D, sir. 66.
EFG, sir, not EG. F,
Yeah.
cover.
F.
D, sir. D, sir. D.
1 second.
D.
So R minus 1 Q, O minus 1 N, G minus 1 E, Q N E, and DQ. Q N E, DQ. Q N F, DQ. Okay, now what is the answer for this one? So QR, we have ST and then we have UV. MN, we have OP and QR. IJ, we have KL and MN. So next will be EF. So EF. After EF, we have GH, followed by IJ. After IJ, we have KL, followed by MN, and so on. 68, what is the answer? Okay, this coding, decoding, you can see. Let's go to the current affairs questions now and see if you can. This we have seen earlier. It's good that you have revised all of these things. Very good. Let's look at question number 106. Who is the new CEO of Amazon? Andy Jassy. And 107. Veteran Congress leader Vidarbha Singh passed away on July 8, 2021. He had served as the Chief Minister of which state for 6 terms? Uttarakhand or Himachal Pradesh? Himachal Pradesh. Who among the following has been appointed as a new governor of Karnataka? Who among the following has been appointed as a new governor of Karnataka? Thawar Chand Gehlot. Who became the second Indian born woman to fly to space after Kalpana Chawla? Sirisha Bandla. Who is the new health minister of India? Just now I have discussed with you, Mansukh Mandavia. Who among the following has been recommended by the BCCI for the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? 2021. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. R. Ashwin. The central government imposed stock limits on wholesalers, retailers, millers and importers of which commodity to control price rise? 112. Answer will be B. Pulses. 113. Which vaccine effectively neutralizes both alpha and delta variant? Covaxin is the correct answer. Ramgarh Vishdhari Sanctuary has been named as the fourth tiger reserve in which among the following states? Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan. 114. Correct answer is Rajasthan. Now, who has become the leading run scorer in all formats in women cricket? So, still some current affairs questions you have not prepared properly. 15th answer is Mithali Raj. The 2020 Summer Olympics, officially the games of the 12th Olympiad, is an upcoming 32nd, not 12th, 32nd Olympiad, is an upcoming international multi-sport and all this. Which country organized it? Is being organized in which of the following country? Japan. Both the Summer Olympics and the Paralympics in Japan.
Japan.
Which aerospace and defense manufacturer recently provided the Indian Navy with its 10th P-81 aircraft?
D. D. D, sir.
Boeing. Which nation won Euro Cup 2020 for the first time since 1968?
Italy.
C, sir.
How much was India's retail inflation in June 2021? 6.26%. And for this e-bulletin, the last question is 120. Which state government has decided to develop a corridor connecting 3 tiger reserves? What is the answer? Rajasthan. For connecting 3 tiger reserves. I think now you can take a break. We'll take a 15 minutes break. After that, we'll discuss some of the other important points. Okay? All right, students, take a break now. 15 minutes break you can take. We'll continue after that.